Ubuntu is a free, secure Linux operating system. Together, we'll download Ubuntu and install it as a virtual machine in Hyper-V. Then we'll go step by step through the installation process with zero confusion. Before we get started, there are a few requirements. You want speed, you want power, you need Hyper-V Pro or Education. To get started, you need to enable Hyper-V feature on. You also need to have BT-X or AMD-V must be on in the BIOS. Here on the screen, you can see we've navigated to Ubuntu, went to the download Ubuntu, and now we're downloading Ubuntu. We want to choose the Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture. Go ahead and select download. Now I'm going to go ahead and save it as Ubuntu AI, because it's our AI demo, so I'm going to hit save. Now let's move over to Hyper-V. Now that we're in Hyper-V, there's a couple ways that you can actually go ahead and create the Ubuntu image. You can right-click and hit New. You can hit New. You can even hit Quick Create, and you can see that there's some operating systems already here for you. But I'm going to go just through the New method right here and select a virtual machine. Go ahead and hit Next. Now let's name our machine Ubuntu-AI. Ubuntu-AI. Hit Next. We're going to go ahead and choose Gen 2. Gen 2 is the upgraded chassis. It's the same Ubuntu engine, but safer, faster, built for modern hardware. Now we're going to assign memory. Here you can see 496 megs is the recommended memory. Depending on the project that you're doing, this may be sufficient, but I'm going to use this box for some AI stuff. So we want to use at least 16 gigs, 16,384. Now you can't use commas or periods or anything. It's just got to be pure numbers in the box there. Now let's go ahead and hit Next. Not connected. I built an adapter for a video I made a few months ago. We're going to go ahead and use that. Select Next. Ubuntu AI. We're just going to use the default gigs. You can always change that later. Hit Next. We want to choose from the virtual machines. Here's our AI one we just downloaded. Choose Next. And you can see a summary of all the configurations. We're looking for Ubuntu AI. You can see it's off by default. Let's go ahead and go to Settings. A couple things we want to check is the security. We want to go ahead and change this to Microsoft UEFI Certificate Authority. So Microsoft's UEFI Certificate Authority, it runs a trusted signer for the boot software. Your PC's firmware trusts the code signed by that signer. If the bootloader is signed, it's allowed to start. If it's not signed or revoked, it's blocked from booting. So if you're using hacking box like Kali Linux or something like that, you're going to want to uncheck secure boot, but for Ubuntu, we'll go ahead and leave it checked, change the template to Microsoft UEFI. Then we want to go to the SCSI controller. We want to make sure that hard drive's number 1, so it just boots from the hard drive. We can go ahead and hit OK. And depending on your settings, you can come over here to Settings. And for some devices, if you check Allow in Enhanced Session Mode, it'll allow you to easily change the size of your screen or be able to copy and paste from it. Now let's right-click and connect to our machine. Hit Start. Of these options, select Try or Install Ubuntu. And I'll speed up the loading process. We'll be back in a few seconds. Now we're at the Choose Your Language screen. There are many languages available, so no matter what you speak, you sprechen Sie Deutsch, Español, English. I speak English, so we'll go ahead and select Next. Go ahead and select Next through the accessibility. And here's your keyboard. So you can choose your language and the variant of the keyboard. So you can see that there's many different variants. Dvorak, Macintosh, anything like that. Choose what you like. And we're going to use a wired connection. So why use a wired connection? Inside an Ubuntu VM, the wired adapter is a virtual Ethernet, not a physical Wi-Fi. The host operating system uses Wi-Fi, but exposes it to the virtual machine as a virtual wired NIC. Hyper-V, VirtualBox, and VMware, they don't pass raw Wi-Fi. They bridge it as Ethernet. That's why you pick wired in Ubuntu. It's how the VM sees networking. But now let's go ahead and select Next. Choose Install Ubuntu. And we want to pick the interactive installation and the default selection. I like to add these because I never know exactly what I'm going to be doing. You can always add them later. Hit Next. Erase the disk and install Ubuntu. But wait, will it erase my Windows operating system? No, you don't have to worry about that. To erase the disk, it blows away partitions and data inside the virtual disk. On Windows, your host, your C drive, and everything outside of the VM stay untouched. It allocates a set space just for the virtual machine, and that's the data it's talking about. It's not going to erase your operating system or anything like that, so go ahead and select Next. We're going to call it Ubuntu-AI. Password. For this demo, I'm just going to use a small password. I don't recommend using small passwords. They're unsecure. They can be easily guessed. Use your passkeys, passphrases, password keepers, whatever. But I'm just going to blow away this version once we're done. Now that we're on this screen, go ahead and select your time zone. I have it connected to the internet, so it knows exactly where my time is. But if you're not connected to the internet, it'll give you some random spot. Go ahead and you can click down here and you can search for your time zones. Now we'll go ahead and review the choices, hit install. I'll be back after it installs. Great, we finished the installation process. Let's go ahead and hit restart now. Go ahead and hit enter. Select your user, enter your password. Go ahead and skip this. Here, skip next, finish. Great, now let's go ahead and change a couple things real quick. We want to go to power. Not power off, we want power, view your power. Since we're installing stuff, we're going to go ahead and change this to 15 minutes. We don't want the screen to lock out on us if we're downloading something that takes longer than 5 minutes. Great. Now we also want to change our screen size. It will say display. There we go. And go ahead and change your screen size. You can choose whatever works best for you. Keep the changes. Perfect. Let's close that out. Now hit Control-Alt-T. It opens your terminal window. We want to go ahead and update the application. Sudo apt update. Go ahead and put your password in. Sudo is how you get into administrative. And now you have updated your machine. You just took your machine from a file to a virtual machine. Ubuntu is installed, updated, and ready to serve you. Now you control performance, privacy, and every installed application. Keep exploring, keep customizing, and make the system uniquely yours. If this video helped you, please leave a comment below and subscribe and share this video with one friend. And I'd like to thank you for watching.